Wow, isn't this just a riot today? The brakes just failed on this thing. No more brakes. Can you just clear that? No, not with any more brakes. Didn't you see me run into your trailer once? That should ought to be enough for you. Oh, man, am I some aggravated this morning. These guys want everything for free. They don't know how to lock their diffies. They got bald tires. You must help me. No, you must help yourself. Ain't driving this thing around no more with them brakes. What the hell's that all about? I don't know. Well, misery loves company. Thanks for the company, folks. I'm having a miserable morning. Oh, by the way, maintain your equipment. That's always just good thinking.